Travenues Tech, as we know it, it's reacting to its fourth quarter numbers and solid set of numbers coming in from Ixigo. If you look at it, the strong fourth quarter performance was led by higher train and bus bookings. Also, flight and hotels bookings growing on a low base, and you had some contribution coming in from the Maha Kumbh in the quarter too. So if you look at the reported revenues and the EBITDA of the company, 72% growth in their overall revenue. Margins have come off a bit, but remember the EBITDA has grown 58%, and on a favorable base, the net profit has more than doubled. 128% growth is what we've seen out there. If you look at the key internals as well, gross ticketing value has grown by about 65%, and flight and bus, both of them have seen a gross ticketing growth of 92%. And we're talking about the Kumbh impact, while on an overall basis, it contributed just mid-single digit of the gross transaction value that can be attributed to Kumbh. But if you look at it over the years, during this period, bookings to Prayagraj, where the Kumbh was happening, surged by 20 times for buses, 5.5 times for flights, and 4 times for trains. So it did see a big surge. The other interesting parts, it was a lot of solo travelers and a lot of Gen Z travelers going to the Kumbh this time. Solo travelers made up for more than half of the train bookings to Prayagraj, and 50% plus of all visitors to the Maha Kumbh across all modes were all under 30. So that leaves out, a big runway for growth for spiritual tourism in India. That was an interesting insight that we got from there.
Okay, all right, interesting there.